Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to ban someone on Roblox. To set up a ban system in Roblox by user ID, store banned user IDs in a database regularly, refresh the cache of these IDs every 2 minutes to reduce data store calls. When a player joins, check their ID against the cached list. If found, kick the player. For example, use data store service to store and retrieve banned IDs. Create a 2-minute refresh loop. In player added, kick players whose ID is on the cache. This balances efficiency and effectiveness in handling banned players on your server. Also, you can find some scripts on the internet ready to add them to your server, which will ban the ID automatically. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.